Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Shaibu'S, not be small wahala, the guy don't enter. Judge don't order the disposed Deputy Governor to appear before court, and the reason go shock you. Not be small thing they go on. So Baseki don't make sure say, as they leave, may Shaibu contain himself. But Shaibu don dey talk plenty since he will say. Now they support APC. Of course, him and Obaseki don't fall out. He get to support the people who say go, what you go pepper Obaseki. But Obaseki now they try hardest best possible to also deal with Philip Shaibu. Philip Shaibu on the other side, they try to pepper Obaseki, say we see you nourish. So now those kind of matters so now they ground. Not be small thing they happen. No. So now they don't kind of go meet George. George say we see they go look into the matter. May Philip Shaibu come court. They don't put date for the court. Now that matter so now we dey hear. You see, and so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Judge orders Deputy Governor to appear before court as the case of Philip Shaibu escalates. Justice James Omotosho, the Federal High Court judge, on Thursday granted an order directing the disposed Edo Deputy Governor to appear before it on the 4th of October 2024 or face imprisonment. Granting the motion, experts on Form 49 in a suit filed by the reinstated Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, Justice Omotosho said, Marvelous Omobayo should be served the order through the Edo State Government House. He further directed that failure for him to appear before the courts can be on the set date, he will be sentenced to prison. Philip Shaibu has made sure that Omobayo Godwin is brought before the court and disgraced, as Obaseki has insisted that he is the deputy governor and not Philip Shaibu. Philip Shaibu and Obaseki has had a running battle for a while now after the House of Assembly declared Philip Shaibu impeached. The court has, however, reinstated him, but the states, Governor Godwin Obaseki and some members of the House have insisted that Omobayo Godwin is the deputy governor. He has even told Philip Shaibu not to resume. Philip Shaibu resumed but was not reinstated to his office as the deputy governor. Philip Shaibu has, however, approached the Federal High Court, where Justice Omotosho has given Godwin Omobayo to come before him 4th of October or face imprisonment. The deputy governor of Edo State, Shaibu, is trying to make a statement that Omobayo is not. Hence, the statement from the judge that the House of Assembly should be the one to send in the statement. What Shaibu has basically done is to rub it in. Like seriously, let him know that, listen, I'm the boss. Okay, I'm the boss. Whatever you think you are doing, I'm the boss. I'm the one that has been reinstated. And all this is coming from the heels of the fact that, if you know very well, the Edo State has been snatched from PDP, with Senator Monday declared as the winner of the Edo State election, the governorship election. That means, it's kind of like game over for PDP for now, until court cases prove otherwise, you see. So these are some of the things that are going on, and the court now has told, Mobayo, who is struggling with Philip Shaibu. And the reason you might be wondering, why are they struggling? It is because the House of Assembly, Godwin of Obaseki, has not accepted Philip Shaibu back. In fact, Philip Shaibu wrote to him saying, I've been reinstated and back on. The guy, they do like say, no hear from him. As if no hear within he talk. So Philip Shaibu and Governor Godwin Obaseki's personal issues is beginning to rub off. And guess what? November the 12th, they are out of the game. Their tenure expires. So the reason for this fight, I cannot tell you. The reason why they are fighting, and trying to expatiate and say, you know what, and trying to put their foot down. I don't really get it. It just goes to tell you how people, want to prove a point and say to the other person, I'm the one leading here. There's nothing you can do to me. You know, those kind of things. Exactly. That's exactly what is going on. Well, my people, you can see that Nigerian judiciary system, is being tossed to and fro in the hands of some politicians because they want to prove a point, and they don't really care. Okay, if the judiciary is supposed to be a place where people should have, where respect, and upholding of the rule of law, a place where, the poor, anybody, no matter who you are, can get there and get justice. Such things seem to be far from our judiciary today, so much so that the people do not even believe in the sanctity of the judiciary system. In fact, they even tell you that, it feels very strongly and very much like, the judiciary has been bought and pocketed, in the pockets of some people. So there's just a lot going on. And whether you like it or not, these are very clear signs, of where our nation is headed. And until something is done drastically, to eliminate some of these things, we don't know how far, how soon we're going to be, getting a real direction in terms of ensuring that such things do not happen again. So it is a very, very place of a serious concern, if you ask me. It's a very serious concern at the moment. Could it really be, that with all that is currently on ground, could it really be that, Phyllis Shaibu is trying to prove a point and trying to defeat Obaseki just before they leave office? Could it be personal? Could there be more to it? Okay, so there's just a lot of details that need to be, finalized in terms of us, honestly, sincerely, moving forward and having a nation that is not covered, in personal grief. Because when you are serving in a public office, it's not about you. It's about the greater good. So where we don't allow personal, your own personal, selfish or interesting, whatever, to affect the general good of the people. So it's beyond one person. It's beyond you. It's beyond me. It's about the good. It's the overall good of the people. So these are very, 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 very serious matters that we all must look upon and ensure that, we do everything humanly speaking possible to bring about, the best, for every single person. Please don't forget, you are important. Don't forget to please give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.